Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and I am back with another process video using my homemade kit. And if you guys have been following me along this month and all of our friends this month, we're in a giant collab sharing our homemade kits, what's in them, and possibly what we're making with them. Everyone's doing a final upload for this month's kit with a Kill a Kit video. You can catch that this weekend. But I decided to squeeze in one last process video here at the end. And I'll have my other video up later today. So I'm starting off with this background, which is actually a Recollections cardstock paper, or not Recollections, it's Coordinations, but I found it at Michael's, so a little bit of confusion there. It's a really beautiful teal cardstock, and I have a photo of my dad and his father, so my dad and my grandpa, at the pool at my grandpa's house, and they do this thing where they always chat about the pools when they're at each other's houses. It's just one of those things that they like to talk about. So I decided to make a photo layout for that. I pulled out some pieces from my kit. The camera is something I've had for so long, and that's actually from our Project Life mini kit, one of those value kits. It came with chipboard pieces, one of the glitter ones. So I'm using that chipboard camera, and then I'm also using a couple die cuts from this Heidi Swap ephemera pack. Again, she doesn't write the collections on the outside of the packaging, so I'm not sure where this is from. But it is pretty old, and I have no idea where I purchased it. It's probably online, since I don't have a lot of Heidi Swap stores, or stores that carry Heidi Swap around me. So the to-do list one I use, and I also pull out one that says memories and has some journaling spots there. I also pulled out some border strips earlier, which I don't know if I mentioned, but those are from Joann's. Again, I have a whole video showing all the items I put into my kit and where they're from. I also pulled out this flare, which is a little itty bitty cloud, and that is from the Crafty Pocket. Again, one of my favorite Etsy stores. If you guys didn't notice, I have a brand new description model down below, so I have a little bit about today's video. Videos mentioned, so if I mentioned my kit video, I'll have that link down below, and I also have products mentioned, so you guys can find the products that I used in this video in case you want to purchase them. So if you fell in love with this Echo Park Summer Dreams 6x6 paper pad I'm working with currently, I'll have that link down below for you, so you can purchase it if you would like. So I did layer that photo with just one piece of teal pattern paper, a very monochromatic layout. I didn't intend for it to be that, but masculine layouts are pretty hard for me, so this is what happened. And I'm just going to trim these border strips to fit directly under my photo. This is a very plain layout. The process video is a little bit long for what I did. I just didn't want to speed it up too much and just make it like a 5-minute video. I figured you guys would like it a little bit slower and to talk through more of the process. So essentially I just went for an all blue themed layout, which was quite easy. There's blue from the pool in the photo, and since I'm talking about pools, bringing in this pool blue color was fairly easy. I do think about using some puffy stickers, but again, I don't want to overdo it. I tend to find that masculine pages are easier if you keep them simple, but this is not a masculine page by any means. I guess it is, but I didn't intend for it to be super masculine, you know what I mean? Like, I didn't intentionally make it a masculine page, so this is what we're working with. And I'm just going to glue down all these parts and then glue down the entire thing together. That way I know everything's in place where I want it. So you'll see me glue all these items on top of each other and then flip it over and glue everything down afterwards. I don't know the brand of these border strips. I know that they were at Joann's on clearance, so I don't think they have them anymore. I bought them a couple years ago, but something similar is probably available near you. And you'll see that those teals match the background, not exactly, but they're on the same color wave, so it works perfectly. And that flare is going to go there, and you can see my plans sort of coming together here. Now for my title, which I'll do later on, I thought of trying to go on a diagonal, which I don't do very often. I often do straight titles or wonky titles, like just not in a straight line, but not like angled line, if that makes sense. So like all my letters just don't line up. It's just one of those looks that you go for sometimes. But this time I will do an angled title, which will be really fun to see in the scrapbooks once they're all done. It's just one of those things that's like, oh, this page is really different sort of thing. And you can also see how messy my desk is. Yeah, I don't have any excuses. When I'm working with a kit like this, and I know I'm going to be working with it for a long time, I tend not to put it away, even though I do have a spot to put it away. I put mine in the, I don't know how to pronounce it, but that IKEA organizer. You'll see that in my Kill a Kit video. I'll bring that up to show you guys how I stored it, because I originally stored it just in a box. But then I got this organizer and cleared it out of my other kit. And soon I'll be sharing my new kit, so make sure to subscribe if you're interested in seeing more kits. My next kit, which I've already put together, is very, very interesting. It is some super old stuff, and you guys definitely have to stay tuned to watch it. I also know some of the other gals participating in this have the great kits coming up as well. Mine's definitely taking a different route next time. Currently in my video here that I'm not, paying attention to, I'm trying to debate if I want to do mixed media, but I don't know how this paper reacts to mixed media. It is a cardstock heaviness, but it's still quite thin. Not paper thin, it's textured as well. So I figured, I don't think it's going to work out if I do mixed media, so I decided not to, which I really like in the end. Both of these guys in the photo are very simple people, so I think this helps describe their personalities as well, which I think is fun. I'm trying to use supplies that describe someone. It's really funny. I don't have anything pool related on this layout. I probably definitely have pool supplies, stickers and stuff, but I didn't use any. Maybe in the future. And this layout wraps up pretty quickly here. I did speed it up a little bit more. A lot of this is just me trying to put down stickers and then I don't put them down. There were a couple that were like the exact color of the background, and I pulled out some triangular puffy stickers from this Pink Fresh Studio set, and I put those underneath the cloud, but again, you can't see them in this. You'll probably be able to see them in my Kill a Kit video where I'll do close-ups of the layouts. So I ordered a little heart sticker there. I picked out these Tim Holtz pieces, but they didn't fit the right mood. I didn't have any black on here. They were like a sketchy text instead of like a plain and clean text, which this is a very plain layout. But here's where I work with that title. Again, using these Fancy Pants Million June Collection puffy sticker alphabets. I didn't put alphabets in my kit, if you didn't notice. I said I didn't because I usually don't. But I ended up using this one so many times on my layouts, which again, you'll see in the Kill a Kit video, so definitely stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I am going to decorate with just a little bit more. I'm going to put some little other puffy stickers from that same alphabet set around because I thought they looked nice, and some enamel dots to bring in some more blue. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, be sure to give it a thumbs up again, and be sure to subscribe so you can see next month's kit. We're doing this all summer, and I have the list of everyone listed on my kit video as well as on my Kill a Kit video, so you guys can subscribe to them if you're new. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!